welcome WASSCE 2024 May-June edition for Nigeria. Objective test question 36. The perimeter of a rectangular garden is 90 meters. If the width is 7 meters less than that of the length, then let's find the value of the length of the garden. So let's just say we have our gardens to be something in this form. Then we are going to see that they said the width is 7 less than that of the length. Meaning before I can know the width, I need to know what the rectangle has as a length. So I can say let this be given as y. Then the width is going to be 7 less. Meaning this is bigger than this by this side, by 7. So if I subtract 7 from this, that will be giving me the width. The length is longer than the width by what? 7. So this is going to be the dimensions we have. Then the perimeter has been given as 90 meters. So let's just say all these give us a meter. How do you find the perimeter of a rectangle? We know perimeter of a rectangle is given by 2 times the length plus that of the width, meaning 2 of the length plus 2 of the width. Alright, so fast forward, we can say 2 into bracket the value of the length plus the value of the width, which is y minus 7. But don't forget the perimeter has been given as 90 meters. So that would be 90 equals to 2 into bracket y plus y. That will be 2y minus 7. The 2 is in front multiplying, so we have to expand. That means 90 equals to 2 times 2y, 4y. 2 times negative 7, negative 14. So we perform subtraction at the addition of 14 to both sides, meaning I'll have 90 plus 14 equals to 4y minus 14 plus 14. That will give you 0. So this will be giving us 104, right? So I'll be having 104 equals to 4y. We need to divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 4. Meaning 104 divided by 4 equals to 4y divided by what? 4. I believe 4 can go into 10 2 times with a remainder of 2. So that will be 26. So our y is going to be 26. Therefore, we can say that the length of the garden is going to be 26 what? Meters. If we have measurement within meters. So since y is standing in for the length, getting the y to be 26, meaning the length of this is be 26, the width is going to be 19 meters. When you find their sum in terms of the perimeter around it, that will give you 90 degrees. I'm sure the concept is clear. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.